Are you interested in getting into tech but don't know how to code? And maybe even feel like tech is way out of your comfort zone? Well, you're not alone. I used to be a nurse before making a career switch into business analysis, a tech role that doesn't require coding. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 tech jobs in the UK that you can get started with without writing a single line of code, and I will go over the skills that you require, as well as roles and responsibilities, and also the base salary. Let's start with business analysis, my current role. Business analysts are problem solvers. We work with teams to understand what's needed, define requirements, and make sure the right solutions are delivered. No coding required, but a lot of communications and critical thinking. So if you've already worked in the healthcare sector, retail, or operations, you probably already have the transferable skills. When it comes to salary, when I was doing my research, the data is all over the place, but I decided to use Glassdoor UK, and the current base salary would be somewhere from 30k to 55k, depending on the company that you'll be working for. The next one is project management. If you're an organized person and love working with teams and want to keep projects running smoothly, this one is for you. Project managers keep tech projects on schedule and within budget. No technical background needed for this role. When it comes to salary for a project manager, according to Glassdoor UK, the salary is somewhere around 36k to 58,000, depending on the company that you're going to be working for. Now let's talk about UX design. I love this one because it's perfect for creatives. UX designers focus on making digital products easy and enjoyable to use. You will do research, design wireframes, and test ideas, but no coding required. Though some may choose to learn basic tools like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD, what really matters is understanding people and problem solving through design. According to Glassdoor UK, the salary for a UX designer entry level will be around 30,000 to 45,000 pounds a year, and for an experienced UX designer, the salary will be somewhere around 65,000 to 90,000 pounds a year, depending on the company they're working for. The next one on the list is Cybersecurity Analyst. So do you think cybersecurity is only for hackers or hardcore programmers? Think again. Cybersecurity is a growing area, and many roles focuses on policy, compliance, training, and risk analysis. If you're naturally cautious and good at spotting patterns and want to protect people and companies from threat, this is a great path that doesn't require coding from day one. According to Glassdoor UK, the salary for a cybersecurity analyst would be around £30,000 to £49,000 and can actually go up to £100,000 depending on the experience. Finally, we have product management. Project managers set the product vision, coordinate with teams, make sure features are delivered on time. You will work with engineers and designers, but focus more on the strategies and priorities, and no code is needed for this role. So if you want to get into tech without touching code, these 5 roles are an amazing place to start. You don't need to learn Python or JavaScript. You just need people skills, strategy, and a willingness to learn. So if any of these roles spark your interest, drop a comment below and let me know which one you're considering. And if you want to learn more about what a BA, that's a business analyst, does from day to day, I'll be sharing it soon in this channel. And please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video very helpful. And I'm happy to answer any question you might have. And see you in the next one. Bye.